What's up, guys? It is day one of the Cascade Cup. We're after the largest perch in North America in this tournament. We have 2 days. It's a team tournament for us. You can also do it individually, but we have to catch our biggest 6 fish each day. And we've been out pre-fishing, and this morning is the day. So we are ready to go. It's a little bit before start. We're supposed to start at 8, so we just got out here and just getting our gear all set up. Let's catch some jumbos. Number 1, let's go. Wait. That one's got a problem. His tail. Look at this guy. He's got a bump in his tail. Isn't that weird? I'm not eating you, little weirdo. Slow morning so far. One nice one, a little over a pound that Tyler caught. 3/4. That's it. So far. And we got the jaw jacker soaking. And pounding the jigs. What do you got?
My smallest is a pounder.
Yeah. I just put up, was that a long male?
Look like it.
Yeah. I just caught one just like that. And then I got that bigger one. I put some...
You got 3?
I got some 3/4 in there, but in the bucket just to have, but I'll eat them if we don't need them, but I don't want to need them.
No.
I think it's just going to be a slow plod here today because there's not a lot of them, but
you might have to just keep bouncing around
Yep.
too.
Yep.
Yeah, I got a right at a pound. I didn't weigh the other ones. Probably two that are a pound and a quarter or a little bigger.
Yeah, I think I have a couple.
So my smallest is right at a pound.
Oh yeah, let's stay on there, mister. Just thinking how much this place sucked. Oh yeah. Jumbo time. Jumbo. Yeah. Straighten up. Not a huge one. Pound and a third or maybe more. Pound and a half maybe. See if his friend is down there. It kind of happens sometimes. Stay up. Doesn't feel like this big one. It's decent. Barely hooked too. Just when we give up hope, we get a JJ. Thank you, JJ. You cute little fella. Not a very big one. What time is it? $11. Dang it. Dang it. Day's moving. 4 hours.
Real quick and see how many reels up I want to be off the bottom.
So I'm just doing like,
let me drop it down real quick.
real old school. You want me to give you some maggots to put in your lip too? How many cranks?
Where am I?
No, it doesn't recognize.
Oh.
Doesn't recognize worms.
About two.
Two?
2 reels.
If you catch a big one down there.
2 at the most. 1.5 to 2. Okay. Going on Seek and Destroy.
There we go. That felt good. Yeah. Come on, baby. There we go. There we go. That bad boy. Ow! You sucker. Ripping me open. Toads. The toads. Ouch. That felt good. That felt good. Well, that is the end to day one fishing wise. We need to go check in now and see what our weight is. I'm guessing we're around a 9-pound mark, but we'll see. There's been a lot of guys out in our area here, and I don't know if they're catching anything or not, but we caught decent fish. It was just not a lot of action. So let's go weigh in and then we'll see where we stand.
It comes on, it's flashing. I'm like, okay, that wasn't a reboot. I mean, that's a bad sign. I knew it was.
All right, we're at Tackle Tom's. Gonna go weigh in. There's a lot of folks here in town today. Angry.
Good catch. Six, right?
Last swim. Nice haul, man.
Couple giddies.
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Single.
Oh, there's a bag for you, bud. Thanks. Good luck tomorrow. Nice work. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
See you again. I feel like I mentioned before at some point.
Yeah.
You guys a team?
Yeah.
Last name?
Taylor and Frost.
Woo!
That's a long one there.
Pet hog. This is the youth catch.
Jeremy and
Good luck tomorrow. Thanks for coming in.
we got the biggest here.
Yes, this one. Yeah, this is like kids.
No.
Look at this. You catch us? Good job, dude. I think that's the biggest.
828.
Oh, wow, dude.
Some nice fish.
Yeah, really nice. That's 9.192. 9.9.
Nice job.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Actually, we fished below bottom building. Man, it's just Speed Perch himself.
Hey, how's it going?
You guys
Looking forward to the video.
Yeah.
A little over 9.
Nice.
You stacked up all right?
919.
No way.
It's a good day. Thanks. So we're at, was it 919 or something like that? 919. So we're definitely in the top bit. Might get run over here. But anyways, there's some people that caught some bigger perch, 2-1 or 2-3, 2-2, and 2-1. So anyways, it's the end for day one. See you tomorrow morning.